Raised beds are an incredible way to start a garden quickly. They also are easier to grow in because they're higher and more comfortable. They drain really well, and you can put great soil in them to start, so you'll start off really quickly. And so before I get started on doing some planting today, I'm going to show you how to make this raised bed right here. I'm just going to duplicate it. It's really easy to build, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You want to level the area you're putting it into. It doesn't have to be perfectly level, but it's going to help. Just so you can get your corners lined up and get everything so that they fit flush. You want to use a frame that's going to be rot resistant. I'd stay away from anything that's been treated because you're going to be putting foods in it that you're going to eat. This is red cedar, which should last for years. You can also use things like concrete or metal, as well as something natural like a stone. It would look really great. If you have a very, very long raised bed, you want to support it in the center so it doesn't bow out. The soil is a lot of weight, so anything over 6-7 feet, you should put in a centerpiece. All right, just like that, we have ourselves a frame for the raised bed. Now we just need to fill it. All right, you always want to layer it with some good quality organic matter in the form of compost and also a bit of fertilizer. Right here I have a bit of seaweed, a bit of biochar, some feather meal, some alfalfa meal. A nice good mix. Compost, maybe a bit of potting soil. And then just before you get it completely full, right, just give it a little bit of a mix. Right, if you do it before it's completely full, you won't get it over the sides. All right, if you want to cheat, make your life easier, just to get a little bit mix on the surface, battery powered tilter comes in handy.